posted?
Hey guys, it's Shanta, and I just got my first big old box of produce and stuff from Misfits Market. My husband opened the box, and he wasn't supposed to, but we haven't looked at what was in there. We haven't looked at what was in there yet. Cardboard. Oh, this is some kind of like insulated bag. That's kind of cool. We could take that when we go. No, no, sorry. We could take that when we could save this though. I bet we could take it when we go like to Jamestown shopping or something. Okay, sweet. Don't tear it. All right, here's what's in here. Parsley. Oh, I ordered these extra. I thought I ordered 2 bags of them. But these are purple Brussels sprouts. They're only tingy purple. Oh, 2 bags. I got these extra. I added them on. You can add on things. Romaine lettuce. That looks nice and fresh. Oh, we got 2 of those. Another romaine lettuce. Oh, I added these on too. Mushrooms. Just little white button mushrooms. Those are my add-ons. Oh, and these. These are naturally bare baked crushed cinnamon banana chips. I added those on. Oh, we got a
freeze pack.
Freeze pack, and it's cold. It's not frozen anymore, but it's cold. We could save that. We got 2 little baby bunches of broccoli. Oh, a nice little bundle of fresh thyme. I would say this cost, I think this cost $1.98 or something like that, and it's probably twice as much as you get in those little grocery store packs. Boy, it smells delicious. Cauliflower. 2, oh, these are nice. We eat these a lot. 2 packs of green beans. These are English cucumbers, 2 of them. How many? We've got some apples. These look like maybe gala apples. We got 5. Is that it?
I think so.
5 gala apples. 4 oranges. Oh, here we go. Some more. These are honey coconut chips. I added these in too. A whole big pile of carrots. I usually only buy baby carrots, so this is kind of cool to get real full-size carrots. Oh, beets. 3. Is that it? Mm-hmm. 3 beets.
Should pickle them.
Yeah, we could pickle these. Ruby says we should pickle them. We like pickled beets around here. It's like one little snack size pickled beet jar, but whatever. We got 6 limes. Yum. We like Mexican food around here, so limes always get to good use. Oh, potatoes. These are little white potatoes, but they have some eyes. I think we can still use them, but they have some eyes. So maybe that's why they're in the Misfits box. No. Are they?
I don't know what these are.
Mangoes. I thought so. These are mangoes. Yummy. With the limes. 3 of them.
And the last thing.
Oh. This is a butternut squash, I think. Yep, butternut squash. A little baby one. Teeny weeny one. So that was in there. So we got all of this produce. Oops. We got the monster box, which was, I'm going to remove this stuff because this is what I added in. So it was all of this for $35. Too bad we don't have a scale. It's supposed to be 18 to 22 pounds. Looks about right. It's all organic. And then I added in this stuff for about trying to remember.
The box is about 25 pounds.
The whole box was 25 pounds, Kevin says. So I think I added in this stuff for about $12 extra. So that made this whole order here $47, I think. Is that right? 35 plus 12, $47. So there you go, Misfits Market. And when I went in today, I was able to go in and actually choose the produce that will be in my second box. So that was cool. Okay, bye.